In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GIFs and Giphy directly into your Slack workspace to bring a little fun and flair to your team's communication. By the end of the video, you'll have quick and easy access to a library of GIFs that can lighten the mood or creatively emphasize a point in your Slack conversations. To begin this process, you'll first want to log into your Slack account. This is where all the fun starts, so make sure you're logged into the workspace where you're aiming to add this integration. Once you're in, take a look around your Slack interface. You'll notice the sidebar where you typically find channels, messages, and direct chats. Here you should be able to locate the Add Apps option, which is crucial for expanding the functionality of your Slack space. When you click on Add Apps, you're stepping into a world of possibilities. This section allows you to integrate various tools and services into your Slack workspace. For today's task, type GIF or Giphy into the search bar. As you start typing, Slack will automatically suggest relevant applications. Keep an eye out for Giphy, the app that provides access to a vast library of GIFs you can use in your conversations. Once it pops up in the search results, click on it to move forward. This is where you can begin configuring the application for use within your Slack workspace. Click on Configuration. This step is essential as it allows you to customize how GIFs UI will operate within your channels. Here you'll be able to adjust settings to fit your preferences, ensuring that your new integration works seamlessly alongside your team's communication needs. After you've made your selection and configurations, remember to click Save Integration. This action confirms that you're ready to use Giphy, and it updates Slack with your new settings. At this stage, you'll want to select a specific channel where you can start using Giphy. Head over to your Slack sidebar, find the channel where you'd like to sprinkle some GIF creativity, and enter that space. Now Giphy is ready to be used, so you can search for and insert GIFs into your posts and replies within the chosen channel. It's a wonderful way to engage with your team using humorous or expressive visuals, whether you're celebrating a success or simply adding vibrancy to conversations. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Giphy into your Slack workspace, opening up an entire world of expressive and engaging communication. Thanks for following along, and enjoy bringing your messages to life with the perfect GIF every time you chat. See you in the next video.